Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Patashala video series where the mysteries of Linux and various cloud technologies are unlocked and the secrets of its commands revealed to you. So let's embark on a thrilling journey wherein we would be discussing PS. Now we already saw some action of PS command in the previous video. If you're not checked that out, I would strongly recommend you to go and check the previous video. So the process status or PS command produces a snapshot of all the running processes in your system. The static results are taken from a virtual file in the /proc file system. Executing the PS command without an option or argument will list the running processes in the shell along with the PID, the TTY, that is the type of terminal, and the running time, and the command which was used to launch the process. Some of the acceptable options that can be used is -t, -u, and -a. We obviously would be using some other flags. So let's quickly jump into this and I'll clear the screen. I'll just run PS and this would give me the basic options that I have. So these are the two shells that are actually running at the time of recording. If I say PS-EF, so this would give me a very elaborate list of all the things that are running. So as you see, this is the user which was used to run it. This is the PID that was used to run it. That is the time from which it has been up, and the system command or the actual command line that was used to run the process. So a very small example would be if I say sleep for 1000 seconds and give you an ampersand. And if I do a PS-EF this time, you would see that my sleep command is running with the process ID 49954. And as you see, this is the exact same PID that we got when we ran this with ampersand. Now, if you're not aware of what ampersand is doing over here, strongly recommend you to watch one of our older videos wherein we discuss jobs in Linux, which is using the ampersand sign to run this command in the background. So this is about the PS command, very useful in getting the services. And once we get the process ID from the PS command, we could use the kill-9 command that we have also discussed earlier to kill the process. And if you see, now we would not be having a PS-EF with the sleep command. So this has already killed the command. So this is where PS-EF is extensively used on a day-to-day basis for all Linux administrators to see which processes are running on the server. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this short and quick video. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, request you to hit the subscribe button, which would encourage us to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Keep having a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.